Dear friends, welcome to another episode of Warzone Today. In this video, we will delve into an alarming situation unfolding as Russian drones are found crashing in NATO territory. On Wednesday, September 13th, the Romanian government announced the discovery of debris believed to belong to Russian attack drones. These remnants were found along the banks of the Danube River, near the Ukrainian port of Izmail. If these findings are confirmed, it will mark the third time in the past 2 weeks that Romania has seen Russian drones crashing within its borders. But what's causing these Russian drones to crash in Romania? And what are the implications of such incidents? Earlier this year, after discussions with Ukraine, President Putin backed out of a grain agreement. Consequently, the Russian Navy began blockading all Ukrainian ports, effectively preventing ships from docking at Odessa, the primary route for Ukraine's massive grain exports. Left with few alternatives, Ukraine resorted to using the port of Izmail, located near the mouth of the Danube River and right on the border with Romania. Being a NATO member, Romania's waters are under the alliance's surveillance, offering cargo ships a safe passage as Russia wouldn't dare violate these waters. However, unable to directly halt the flow of cargo ships navigating through alliance waters in the Black Sea, Russia has now resorted to directly attacking the Ukrainian port of Izmail, using cruise missiles and drones. The major concern here is that this port lies along the Danube, directly opposite Romania, which is NATO territory. This means that even a minor miscalculation in a Russian attack or damage to a missile or drone can greatly increase the risk of it landing in NATO territory, causing material damage or even worse, injuring or killing people. So with Russian drones falling on alliance territory, what could possibly be the fallout? Is there a risk of Romania invoking Article 5 of NATO, claiming it's under attack and thereby compelling other member states to directly intervene in the conflict? Contrary to what some might believe, NATO's Article 5, which states that an attack on one member is an attack on all members, isn't automatically activated. Activation requires deliberation and consensus among the alliance. The primary condition for its activation is evidence of an intentional attack on one of its members. As of now, there's no proof to suggest that Russia is intentionally attacking Romania. In fact, the Romanian government reports indicate that only scattered debris has been found over extensive areas, suggesting drones were intercepted in flight with their fragments landing harmlessly on Romanian soil. Thus, without evidence of intentional aggression, invoking Article 5 isn't an option. But Romania has another potential recourse, Article 4. When invoked, typically in response to a significant and looming threat, all member states gather to hear the concerns, and practical measures are implemented to mitigate the threat. If Romania invokes Article 4 due to the inadvertent threat posed by Russian drones and missiles, the alliance may take steps to prevent this. For instance, NATO could shut down the airspace along the border with Ukraine. Under such a protocol, any unidentified aerial object nearing the alliance's border could be shot down by NATO's air defenses. This means any drone or missile Russia launches against the Ukrainian port of Izmail might, if NATO so decides, be intercepted and destroyed by air defenses situated in Romania. Implementing this measure would not only provide immense relief to Ukraine's efforts to export its grain, but would also bolster the aerial defense along the entire Ukrainian border with NATO. If Romania invokes Article 4 and the alliance concludes that this step is vital for ensuring Romanian territory's safety, Putin will find himself unable to obstruct Ukraine's grain exports through the port of Izmail. Moreover, targeting critical Ukrainian assets near the border, like weapon and ammunition depots, will become exceedingly challenging, a development that certainly wouldn't please Putin. And that's it for this episode, folks. Thanks for tuning into Warzone Today. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on global military affairs. In these uncertain times, always remember to stay safe and take care of one another. Until next time.